Hello students, welcome to Concrete and Highway Engineering Lab. Myself P. Praveen Kumar, working as Assistant Professor in the Department of Civil Engineering, Guru Nanak Institutions of Technology. Concrete and Highway Engineering Lab, which gives the information about to find the quality of the materials. Here the building materials are nothing but cement, sand and coarse aggregate. If the properties of the building materials are satisfied according to Indian standards, then that materials can be used in the any different construction field. Okay, today in this present demonstration, I would like to give information about how to determine fineness of cement by using sieve method. Okay, before starting the test, before starting the procedure how to determine the fineness of the cement, first we need to know what is meant by fineness of the cement. Here, fineness of the cement is nothing but it is a property of the cement which indicates the particle size of the cement. It is expressed in terms of specific surface area of cement. It affects on the hydration of the cement, which gives result to gain the early strength of the cement, and also it decreases the bleeding of the cement when the fineness of the cement is high. Okay, now according to Indian standards, to define fineness of the cement, we have three different methods. The first one is by sieve method, and the second one is air permeability method, and the third one is sedimentation method. So, by using this method, sieve method, we can determine the fineness of the cement. By using air permeability and sedimentation method, we can determine the specific surface area of the cement. In this present lecture, I would like to give information about how to determine the fineness of the cement by using sieve method. Okay? Now, coming to the aim of this test, here we are going to determine the fineness of the cement by using sieve method. Okay? Next, what is the main purpose of doing this test? To find out the quantity of the coarse material which is present in the cement sample. Here we are going to find the coarse material which is present in the cement sample. Now, some of the apparatus which is used to find this fineness of cement is as a reference with Indian Standard 4031 1996 Part 1. Here we need to take Indian Standard 90 micron sieve. And the next one is weighing balance, and the next one is trowel as well as brush. Right. Coming to the procedure, how to determine this fineness of the cement means, first we need to take 100 grams of the cement. Here you can take any different grade of the cement like OPC 33, OPC 43, OPC 53 according to the availability. In this present procedure, I am taking OPC 53 grade of the cement. After taking 100 grams of the cement, now that cement should be placed onto the 90 micron sieve. Okay, after cement placing onto the 90 micron sieve, we need to sieve the cement at least for 15 minutes. After completion of the time period, now you can see some changes in the sieve. That means when the cement particle is greater than 90 micron, that cement will be retained on the 90 micron sieve. If the cement particle is less than 90 micron, that will be passed through 90 micron sieve. Okay, now whatever the residue which is replaced, which is retained on the 90 micron sieve, that should be weighed. Okay, now we can calculate the percentage of the coarse retained material. Coming to the calculation part, so initially we are taking some amount of the weight, some amount of the cement weight, that is weight of the cement sample is 100 grams, that we are naming it as a W1. Next, after sieving whatever the residue which is retained on the 90 micron sieve, that will be named it as a W2. Here I got some value. Okay, when we go to the practical exposure of the experiment, then you can understand how to calculate the percentage of retained material. Okay, now coming to the practical exposure. This is 90 micron sieve as a reference with the 4031 1996 Part 1. Here you can observe the sieve number. Sieve number is 9. The size of the sieve is 90 micron. This is the top lid, and this is the collecting pan. Okay. These are the trowels. This is the weighing balance. Okay. Now coming to the procedure, how to determine this fineness of the cement means, first we need to take 100 grams of the cement. Now let's take 100 grams of the cement. Here you can observe the value is, the weight of the cement is 100 grams. Now after taking the 100 grams of the cement, now this cement should be placed onto the 90 micron sieve. See, here you can observe the cement. Now close with the lid. Sieve it for 15 minutes. Okay, it should be sieved in a circular motion like this. Now after completion of the time period, now you can stop the sieving. Okay, now open the lid and you can observe some changes in the procedure. Okay, now see the changes. If the cement particles are greater than 90 micron, if the cement particles are greater than 90 micron, that particles will be retained on the 90 micron sieve. Here you can see some amount of the cement particles are retained on the 90 micron sieve. Those will be named it as a coarse material. Okay, if the cement particles are less than 90 micron, that will be passed through 90 micron sieve and we can collect through collecting pan. Here you can observe this material will be named it as a fine material. Now we need to weigh the residue which is retained on the 90 micron sieve. Now we need to weigh the weight of the residue which is retained on the 90 micron sieve. See, here you can observe, first make it in 0. Now take the weight of the residue. Here you can observe the reading as 4 grams. Now coming to the calculation part, weight of the cement sample, that is W1, is initially whatever the sample which we have taken is 100 grams. Next, weight of the retained residue on 90 micron sieve after sieving. Okay, we got the value is 4 grams. Okay, now we need to calculate the percentage of the coarse material, or we can call it as a percentage of the residue. The formula to find the percentage of the residue is W2 by W1 into 100. What is the W2 value? 4 grams divided by W1 is 100 grams into 100. Okay, 100 gets cancelled and the percentage is 4. Okay, now the percentage of coarse material which is present in the cement sample is 4%. Here you need to observe that according to Indian standard, the percentage of the coarse material should not be exceed more than 10%. In this case, the result is satisfied. Hence, this cement can be used in the building construction. This is the procedure how we are going to determine the fineness of the cement by using sieve method. Thank you.